I mean, say what you want, guys, but I think Dollar General is wonderful, flaws and all, because 8 times out of 10, we're the ones that are walking out winners. And you know you want to know. So please like and share this video on your way in. Share it to your Facebook newsfeed, and that way you help everyone that comes across it. And leave a little notation that says, please share, pass it along. And everybody that your friends know, well, they can save a little bit too. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, go ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss any of our daily deals that we have every day in our field trips and just hanging out with us, because we are awesome. And so are you. So like folks need to hang together. So go ahead and subscribe. Make sure the notifications stay on, and that way you won't miss a thing, hopefully. And leave me a comment. I love hearing from you, what you're doing, how's the weather. In general, how you been? I mean, we are all friends here, so I like hearing that from you. And, of course, product reviews. If you got something to say about a product that you tried, let us know. Alrighty. And allow the video to play all the way to the end, please. It is super important, because YouTube watches our watch time, and that affects your notifications. So, allow it to play all the way to the end, including those ads, even if you walk away. And thank you very much for staying through all that. Let's talk about the Coke deal. We got a massive Coke glitch going on with this. Okay? You got a $2 off, and then you've got a buy one, get one body armor juice beverage. Both of those are store coupons. They are stacking. That's number one part. And then you have 40-cent earns, okay? And it will pay you one if you're just getting 3 of the 12 packs. If you double up because of the sale, and if you drink a lot of Coke products, you should double up, especially during the week with the extra 5 off 25. Then you will save an additional $1.20. So, awesome Coke deal right there. Now let's talk about the 3 for $15 Mountain Dew deal. You got a $4 off store coupon, and if you want to do a 5 off 25 scenario with 3 of these and 3 Coke products, you'll be getting $12 off that transaction, off of a $31 transaction. So that in itself is a win-a-win, a chicken dinner deal. But that's not why we're in the store today. We're in the store today because, thank you, Gemma. Gemma put me on to something. However, I don't know if it's going to work, because it does show it in the app, but when you add everything in the app, it doesn't attach. So this is what we're going to try to do. We're going to go and look at it and see if it works, because it's a really strange one. Your $4 off Mountain Dew coupon is attaching to the Snuggle fabric softener, but a particular fragrance. So we're going to go check that out. We're going to go scan them if they have them and see what we can do about them. And then I'm going to show you a phenomenal laundry deal. Yes, that you're going to save so much money on that you're going to have to go and do it, well, today. Well, you can do it any day this week, because you got that extra 5 off 25. And that's why I said you gotta love Dollar General, even with its flaws. And it does have its flaws. But all in all, you know, I think we get really good deals at Dollar General. I really wish that there was some way that they could expand and make all their stores a food, like a marketplace, and regular Dollar General items. It would be awesome. Alrighty, let's go for the gold, guys. Okay. Oh, well, wrong aisle. Yeah, wrong aisle. We're just gonna slide down this way. You see these all detergents? We have a $4 off still on 2. Yep, the same one that I used last week in case you missed it. Sometimes I get concerned because I'll do a field trip and I'll show you a deal, and then we don't talk about it again because I showed it to you the one time, and then I kind of wondered, did y'all forget about them, or did you use them? Should I tell you more than one time about these deals? I mean, I just don't know sometimes. So we're going to pick up those. And the next item we're going to pick up is these 5-in-1 Armor All Power Packs. Yeah, odd item, huh? Like I said, this is a phenomenal deal. Next up, you see that $5.35 up there? I gotta scan it and make sure, but we have a $2 coupon that is attaching to this. And the $8. Now, I actually scanned them, and yes, that $4 Mountain Dew coupon is attaching to them, okay, along with all the other store coupons. But you have to spend, $14. Now, whether or not they were all stacked, it doesn't show them stacking all together in the app, but it is attaching. So I'm thinking that maybe we'll try to do a singular deal first to see if that Mountain Dew coupon will attach to, I think it would be 3, 6, 9, 10. It would have to be 4 of these to make $14. Yep, we will check this out at the register, both ways. Alright, back to our accumulation of variation of laundry deals here. You're also going to pick up one of these $4.25 clean sensations. Oh, I like the Meadow. I do like the Meadow one. Yes. With the daisies. And you have a $2 off. We're going to scan it and make sure it's attaching. Now, if you purchase just your Arm and Hammer products by themselves, you're getting $6 off. Okay, $2 for each item, and you're right at $15 with this, $14 and some change. So you're paying like $8 for those 3 items at the very best. So let's go conclude our rest of our buggy, and then we'll try our hand at some glitch hunting. The next item that we're going to add is 2 of these travel size dial body washes, because we've got another glitch. $2 off when you purchase 2. Okay, now if you don't want to get just 2 of these for a filler, you could pick up another dial like body wash. You can do so in one of these. It's going to be like $6.50, and you're going to get $2 off. So your out of pocket's going to be more. Or you can just pick up these 2. Okay, and you're looking at I think these are $2.25. Let me scan them. We may be falling short of $20 because our 4 snuggles are $15. Okay, and we're going to try to stack all those coupons together. Are $2.50, so this will give me $20 for our 5 off. And if that Mountain Dew coupon stacks, that will be an additional 4, and then $2 off on these. So it'd be $9, $10, $11 off of a $20 purchase. Alright guys, I am back out in the car. Let's have a look at this deal. Holy moly. Whoa. Yeah, let's have a look. That's a good look there. Look, we picked up the 2 snuggles, because let me explain. I tried to Snuggle Glitz deal. The Mountain Dew coupon did not attach. It is attaching in the app, but it's not attaching at my store. Okay? So we went with plan B. And even with picking up the 4 Snuggle, okay, getting the 5 off for the 4 Snuggle and the other $1 off for the Snuggle, I was at $13 and some change with that, okay? Now this entire deal, entire purchase was $12.20. So I want you to have a look. This is a definite winner deal. 2 of the Snuggle fabric softeners, 2 of the Dial Travel body washes, your Arm & Hammer scent booster, your Arm & Hammer pods, your Arm & Hammer detergent, 2 of your all free and clear. Look at everything that came off. Holy moly. Final out of pocket was $14.20. My savings was $23.65 on this deal. Now that's a definite deal. You want to run and go do this deal today. The savings is there, and you won't have to worry about doing it on Saturday. And you got enough laundry stuff here to last you for a couple of weeks. So blessings.